You searched how to buy shares of Aptera Motors Corp, so this video shows the basic steps. Aptera is an electric vehicle developer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SEV. This is educational content, not financial advice. To buy stock, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker SEV to find Aptera Motors Corp. Confirm the match and select the correct NASDAQ listing in the results. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that tracks recent trading. Verify the company name and ticker one more time to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order before placing it. If the market is closed, the order may become pending until it opens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the purchase. After execution, the position appears in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and there is a link in the description if you want to explore eToro further.